Recording in progress.
Good morning, Shanmugara sir.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, sir. Shall we wait, sir, for another 5 minutes,
Shall
sir?
we? Another 2-3 minutes we will wait, sir. Another. Okay, another 5 minutes we will wait, sir. Okay.
Okay. Sir, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Shall we start?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay, sir. Okay. A very good morning to all the participants. So we are in the third day of our 5-day FDP program. So thanks to the participants for overwhelming response for the 2 days which we have already completed. We got a tremendous response from the participants for the last 2 days of FDP. So today, third day, we have the topic. The title of the session is Advanced Technique in Research Writing Using LaTeX here. So today's resource person is Dr. G. Shanmugraj sir, uh, Associate Professor from Velamal Institute of Technology. I would like to give a short introduction about our resource person today. Dr. G. Shanmughraj is an associate professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Velamal Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu, since 2002. He has been teaching in the field of electronics and communication engineering. He has 23 years of teaching experience. He received his PhD from Anna University, Chennai. His research interests include VLSI signal processing, embedded system and IoT, computer vision, image and video processing. He has published 22 international journals, articles, 20 national and international conference papers, book chapters, and 4 patents to his credit. He has received 2 research projects from Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises (MSME) in recognition of his contribution to innovative research and development in his field. He has received the Inspiring Research Associate Award from Madras Journal Series Private Limited for his outstanding contribution and continued dedication in the field of research and development. He has a lifetime membership with ISTE and has served as a resource person for various institutions in and around Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So today we are glad to have with him today. So I hope participants will be getting larger insights in the title Advanced Technique in Research Writing LaTeX. So welcome Shanmugra sir. Now the session is yours.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the introduction, sir. Thank you. Uh, First of all, I would like to thanks to the management and the principal sir, vice principal sir, and HOD ma'am for giving this opportunity for to take the topic here, that latex today. So, what is now? My screen is visible now here. Just a minute, I'll share my screen. Okay. So, so small introduction about the latex now here now. So before that starting here, so what are the topics I'm going to discuss here now? That is a LaTeX introduction, LaTeX benefits, LaTeX editors, first document in LaTeX, text formatting, custom command, and table contents, a list images, tables, and the mathematics. So apart from this, how to write the papers, journal papers, and IEEE conference papers, everything you will see one by one here. So basically, we will go one by one here. So before seeing the what is latex everything here, dear participants, if possible, you can download the two software that is a Mictex and Text Studio. It is a free software. It is available already available in the website now, free only, freeware only. So you can download here. It will take 3 to 5 minutes here, if possible. If it is not, now it is that is available in the here that is an offline also, that is online is available, that is called that is an overleaf that also freeware only. So you can no need to download this overleaf here, you can live you can work it on this one here. So either before giving this introduction and everything what is latex, no, in the meantime you can down it will take only 3 to 5 minutes only. In the meantime, if possible you can download the software here. We can download the software in using .exe file should be in any one of the drive, either in your system D drive or E drive. You can keep it here. The participants you are listening in not in the laptop or using a mobile phone or thing, you can online that is latex is there. You can check it in this output in the, by using this latex. Okay, so we'll see one by one here. What is first initially? So what is this latex? What is latex? Actually, we have to pronounce latex, not latex. It is a LaTeX, LAH, LaTeX or LaTeX. That is a software typesetting document. So it is a document preparation system only. It is not a software. It is not a processor. Actually, it is not a software application. It is only a document preparation system only. So it is namely called as a document markup language. It is a freeware and open source only. You can download. There is no need to pay anything here. So it is originally written by Leslie Lamport and is based on the text settings engine by a Donald Smith. So here, so for understanding the word processor like MS Word, LaTeX focus on logical structure of the document rather than the manual formatting. So why we go for LaTeX now? LaTeX is a very good document preparation system. Very good it is. It produces a very precise output here. So whether you want to prepare a research paper or textbooks or a journal or any book publishing or any even students resume, everything will be LaTeX. It produces a very precise output here. That is the only reason we go for LaTeX. We can say is an like if you go for MS Word is there MS Word we see Word and all we can see what you see is what you got. That is what by using MS Word. But what you see is what you mean is called as a LaTeX. So this LaTeX generally uh, uh, used for all the student, not only for a specific preparations or anything. Here we can use for all the like already I told that papers, presentation, journals, conference, anything you can use for LaTeX preparation. Okay, so for even book publishing also. Okay, so it is a very good right tool for document for increasing the productivity, reducing errors, for ensuring the professional quality output here. So this is a simple introduction about the LaTeX. Okay, so we can use here the reason. I'm once again repeat that not LaTeX. It is a LaTeX or LaTeX. We can pronounce it as. It is a document preparation system only. So what are the benefits are that by using this LaTeX here? So LaTeX you can use. It is suited for as an scientific technical documents for very specific for mathematical formulas. Mathematical formulas we can very precise output produce by using in LaTeX here. It is an high quality output also. It is extremely stable and it is handles a complex document easily no matter how large the whatever may be here. So it is a cross reference capability also is there. So automatic numbering system is there and a list of content figures, tables, index, floris, bibliographies, everything it will be generated automatically. The no need to for any order system, unordered systems are there here. So no, then sections, everything is involved here. Everything it produces on a very precious output by using an LaTeX bit. That is the benefits of the LaTeX here. So next question will, what are the operating system it will follows? So LaTeX exam, it is support for all the operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and it supports all the software here. But it is a readable and editable also. It will produce the same output for all operating systems. Whether you using Windows or Linux or any operating system, it produces the same output here. So it also support the output is in a PDF format. We can get if you want a PDF from PDF or HTML or any format whichever you want, you can get the even DVI format also possible. So you can get the output in the any format here. So, but the output will be same for all our operating system. Okay. So next, so so before that here, choosing large LaTeX over MS Word, large document also. So here the reason. Uh, Next, writing a research papers, thesis reports, books, everything is excellent for using a LaTeX than compared to the MS Word or anything. Okay, next, what are the features are there? What are the features of using a LaTeX? LaTeX. So, what are the features now here? The professional typesetting. That is the first main thing, isn't documents quality output we can get here. So, even how many space you want to here, how many line space, how many paragraph space, word space, everything is impossible. It's a very good professional typesetting. And the mathematical notations also. But only thing is you need to include the package that is the AMS LaTeX package. So, so many packages are there here. If you go for this software like MikTeX and and the Text Studio, so the MikTeX the default is most of the packages are there by default. Otherwise, it will ask when you're executing some program, it will ask us some packages. At the time, you can install that one. It will take only very few minutes only. So automatically, it will be installed automatically. So that is the mathematical notation skill that is best one. Similarly, the next one is bibliography citations. So BibTeX and NAPIP for managing the funds automatically. So tables and figures, high quality tables, figures, captions, these are all the features of this one here. Apart from this here, additional features also is there. Additional features like a cross referencing, cross referring also possible. Easily referring the sections, equations, then figures, numbers, everything is possible. Then customizing the packages. So, example, the graphics for images, hyper reference for hyperlinks, mathematical formulas, everything is very easily we can get by using this LaTeX. So, multi-language support also. It's not only for English, it will support all the languages, Hindi, Arabic, Chinese, or all the languages it's supporting here. So automation and macros, everything is possible. So these are the features of the LaTeX here. Okay. Next, next we will go for what are the LaTeX editors are there. So it is, I am already told it is not a software application oriented, it is a editor. Okay, it is a document preparation editor, markup language only. So what are the offline editors are available now? MikTeX, Text Studio, Text Life, then next Text Life, Text Live, then TextWorks, TextMaker, TextNick Center, Me, Lex. So these are the editors available in offline. You can download this the softwares on the internet here. But the only thing is in here the text MikTeX, Text Studio, TextLife are free only. The remaining things are maybe a payment here. So you can go for MikTeX. MikTeX is the best one for MS Word. Uh, Typewriting. Similarly, for operating system, MikTeX is going to support here. MikTeX and as well as the combination. Next one is Text Studio. Both are very good editors here. So particularly, why we go for MikTeX? MikTeX in the sense here. So some benefits are there by using an MikTeX only. So here that is an so MikTeX like here. So packages. The important thing is packages. So many packages are by default is there in the MikTeX here. So MikTeX is this provides the necessary LaTeX packages and the compilers inbuilt is there. So editors like Text Studio, this help us for writing and managing the latest documents. So Text Studio, what is the purpose now? If it is any error is occur, is color codes indicate that there is an error in this particular message. So we can easily find out the error words or errors and everything by using this Text Studio. So these two combinations are best for working as an LaTeX, which one is on MikTeX and the Text Studio. So if I install the software, both are free only. Install, work it in the you can download and store in the any one drive. The same what you are going to execute your program should be in the same drive. It should not be in some other drive. Should not be in the some other drive. So you should keep your program in the same drive only. Then only it is going to execute here. Okay, that is the important thing. Whenever you want to execute your program, the program should be in the same folder only, which you are having .exe file of MikTeX, .exe file of Text Studio. Okay, that is the important thing. So similarly, on the online, what are the online text LaTeX editors are here? It is an Overleaf, Share LaTeX, and then Paperia, Poplar, then LaTeX Base, LaTeX Lab, Cybers, Autoria. So these are the LaTeX editors available in online. But here there is an Overleaf is more user-friendly one. So just you can type it in the Google like Overleaf. Then it will open directly. It's going to open this openly Overleaf window screen will open. Then you can type your program in the directly. You can screenly you can show the output here. Okay, next workflow. So here this provides necessary LaTeX packages and compilers. I already told that MikTeX is provides a LaTeX packages, solid packages are there. So if there is some of the packages are missing, is not there, right? Is few microseconds only it will take to yeah, install this packages here because it's automatically sometimes it will be installed. Whenever you are writing, you execute your program, it will ask some packages are missing. At the time you can install the package. Okay, it will take only few microseconds only. So, and what is the purpose of Text Studio? Text Studio helps to writing and managing the LaTeX documents. What is the meaning of managing LaTeX document? Means whenever the error is that it indicate the color code, it will error. You can easily clear the errors here. So next, Text Studio is one of the one of the popular features, here is an editing that free open source and no license or issues are there here. User-friendly interface. That is a powerful auto completion. Integrated PDF viewers is there. Error checking and debugging. And that is an customizing options. So here, so many advantages are there. But text studio major advantages. Error checking and debugging is the major advantage of this one here. Text studio. So it is the best for students, researchers, professionals writing IEEE papers and journals. So MIGTech distribution that provides the core compiler packages needed to process a LaTeX document. Uh, so that is an automatic packaging system and a lightweight or well optimized regular updates, good integration with Text Studio. That is what main thing is, and here it is an automatic package installation is there. Okay, that is the advantage of main advantage of MIGTechs. So I already told no what software you have to install. Now, this is what here HTTPS /migtech.org/document. It will open here. At the time you go to install this one here. I'll run as administrator. Then next page layers. Then you give one way. It will take only 3 to 5 minutes here. Similarly, the text studio also. It will take only 3 minutes for installing the text studio also. So participants, if possible, you can install the two software, Mitex or Text Studio. If it is not possible now, no, Dodi, it will take, you can, the same program you can execute by using an RN, so by using an overleaf. So this is the screen layout overview of this Text Studio. So in this Text Studio, the first line, you know already that is called menu bar. The next is an toolbar is there, all the toolbars here. The left side screen, that is on trial class one is there. No? This is what indicate the folder name and file name here. The center of the portion is indicate that the program coding. The bottom of the page is process executed normally is there. No? This screen is indicate that if it is error is or how the program or the execution, the error, everything we can it is going to be displayed in the bottom of that screen here. The right side is part is to indicate that it is an output screen. So the by default it is in PDF format only. But you no need to download the output anything here. Here the command here that build symbol is there. When you press the build symbol, if there is no error, it automatically stored in the folder. Automatically it is stored. No, you no need to store this output here. It will be automatically stored in your folder. Okay, that is a quick build. Quick build button is there. That is what this is what the button of the quick build button is there. Then if you click this one, it is going to save automatically in your folder in the output screen, the PDF file format. So this is the overview of the screen layouts. So I once again repeat this one. The left side screen, that is portion, is the indicate the file name or folder name. The center portion of the screen is you are going to type the program here. The bottom of the screen is indicate that error or any message in this here, messages, logs, previews, research results. The right side is indicate the output of the program. Are clear? This is the screen layout of the text studio. Okay, this is what your menu bar at the top here provides access to all functionalities. Toolbar is a quick access to common LaTeX commands, reader area, that is center portion, that is a LaTeX code, structure view, left panel, that is an display the document structure, the message or log panels, that is a bottom, compilation errors and messages, and the PDF preview window, right side is display the output of the PDF. So the right side is output of the PDF, the bottom is an indicate the error message, the center portion is the program area, the left side is indicate the folders, okay, the file names, folders, everything here. So here, when we see the shortcut keys, what is a new open, that is in the file menu. What are the, already we know these things, the basic same only here, the file name, that is control shortcut key, edit menu. These are all the shortcut keys of this one. Command, find, replace, everything all the one. Here, LaTeX menu is inside section here, inside equation, okay, control shift plus M. These are the shortcut keys for math menu, view menu, okay, shortcut keys. So here that is each symbol, what is the name, notations of the names of this of the text studio, what are the symbols are there in the each symbol, what is the meaning. For example, quick build. Quick build is the symbol of the diamond symbol that is indicate the quick build here, view PDF. So all the symbols and notations are there here, which is used in the screen. The screen, what are the Next, that is a toolbars. Toolbars, what are the symbols and the meaning? This is another one. Next, latex command. So, first, very important thing is latex commands. So, latex commands. So, latex, how it is working now? Latex working based on the command only. So, based on the command. So, it won't execute even a single line without any command. So, it is based on the command only. So, what is the format of the command next? The format of the command is by starting with the first is the backslash. Backslash symbols is must for the command. So backslash command, the square bracket is within the square bracket is optional arguments. Either you can give that mention that type of command, what are the features if you want, you can specify the features in the optional argument. Otherwise, no need to specify. Here the argument and the curly braces arguments are compulsory. You have to specify that in the curly braces. This one is that is square bracket is optional argument, but curly braces is a compulsory. You have to give the argument based on the command. Based on the command, you have to compulsory give the argument in the curly braces. Okay, that's what I mentioned in the latex command. Begin with the backslash, followed by the mm, uh, a small big letters here. Command may have arguments given the curly braces or square brackets. Calling a command look like the following format only. So backslash command optional argument then arguments. So there will be a small arguments, each of them braces and brackets. Arguments and curly braces. Okay, so curly braces is compulsory. I have to give. So there's a new command. So it is one of the another new command is that you can specify the new command in the command braces, curly braces, arguments, additional optional one, and square bracket is same thing only I mentioned here. So okay, shall we go to the first program? Shall we start one first program now here? Okay. Okay, we'll start the first one. Yeah. Okay. The first one. See, the first starting the basic, very basic first document here. So I'm already told that the program should be started with the command should be started with the backslash. So first line is a backslash of document class. This document class, you should have to mention this what type of document class it belongs to article or book chapter or a conference paper or anything. So you have to mention this journal or anything. You have to mention the first line compulsory for you have to mention the document type. What type of document here? So backslash document class. A A4 paper is optional one. Comma 12 font. It is also a optional one. You no need to give this one. It's not compulsory. Without square bracket also it will work here. Only curly braces. Your document slash backslash document class only curly braces article it will work. It is not compulsory. The square bracket and within the square bracket the A4 paper and 12 fonts are optional only. So first line, I think first line is very clear. No, that is mentioned here. The type of first document is article type only. Okay, I mentioned here article. Second line, the title you have to give this. So the command name is called title. So in the curly braces, I have to give the title of the article. So introduction to article. So third line is a backslash author. So I have to mention the author name. And next, begin the documents. So begin document. Begin also here one of the important command. So these things are mandatory. These things are mandatory for the article types. So you compulsory you have to specify the document class, title, author, and begin. So next one is a make title. So this make title is very important one. Without make title, it won't display the title or author or anything here. By default here, no, you no need to mention the date here. By default, it gives the date of the current today date. Current date it will be we will give the current date in your document. You no need to mention the date. So it will be displayed only when you are giving the make title. Without make title, it won't display the title or author, what maybe you are typing here. So make title is important one for giving a title and author everything. So here next, I'm going to content. What is my content? This is my first LaTeX document. Then end document. So whenever you begin the document here, compulsory you have to give the begin and end is compulsory. So when you are beginning the document, compulsory you have to end the document. Otherwise, yeah, it won't execute. It will give the error. Okay, well. So this is what the very simple first document. I think very clear this one first program. So once again I review this first basic document first program. So document class is compulsory, title is compulsory, author begin document is compulsory. You have to give here. So make title. The make title if you're not given make title, it will work here. But without title and without author, the output will come here. So make title is compulsory. You have to mention here. Then the document content. This is my first document here. That is my doc content. Then end document. This is the basic line. So we'll go to the next one. So what will be the output? See the output. This is the output screen. Look like this. Introduction. That is a title. Our title is Introduction to LaTeX. That is a title. So the name. The what we given is author name here. Then the date is see here. Not we are not mentioning the date here. So automatically it produce the date here. So next, this is my first LaTeX document. That is what displayed here. So this is the first program. This is the first program. So participants, any doubt in this first program, basic program?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll proceed now. We'll proceed. So one by one, we'll see all the programs on basic programs now. After that, I will execute. I will execute one by one. For all the what we are seeing here now, we will execute one by one by using this text studio. Okay, next. Second one is spaces. So here, how to give the space, line breaks, paragraph, comments, everything. So here, multiple spaces. So LaTeX treats multiple spaces just like a single space. In your program, if you are typing some lines here, you are giving a multiple space now. You don't expect the multiple space in the output side. It will treat it as a multiple space as a single space because it will obey and work only based on the command only. What you are giving them the command. So multiple space, if you want, there will be command is available. If you give the that command, it will work here. Otherwise, it will treat it as a single space only like multiple lines also. If you are in the document, you are giving multiple space lines here. Don't expect the same multiple space line in the output here because it will treat it as a only single line. If you want multiple space in the line, you have to give the command. That is for multiple lines here. That is the double backslash is the command for give the multiple space. If you want to give the multiple, then separate command is there for each and every uh, operations. Okay, so second, a single line break has the same effect like as a single space here. So it does not matter how you are arranging your text in the editor using a space or brackets, the output will stay in the same only. What is the meaning of this? It does not matter how you are arranging the text in the editor using the space or bracket. In the editor, in your in the program, you are giving some spaces or anything. No, don't expect the same thing in the output here. It will work only based on the command what you are giving here. Okay, a blank line denotes the paragraph break. So paragraph break, that is a command is a backslash par paragraph. If you want to space or if you want slash QAD, what QUAD, what is the space for a small size? If you want more space, now double Q backslash QQUAD is the command for giving more space between the words. Okay, likewise, you want to line the next line space now go for double backslash. For paragraph backslash and par likewise. So everything is based on the command. If you command only, but you want command the particular line, you can go the symbol percentage symbol. Percentage symbol used for to comment the your document here. So suppose if you want multiple lines are there, I don't want to execute this multiple lines. Now you have to give this like backslash if false starting. The starting of the line is you have to give backslash if false. There is no space in between here. At the end where you are at the end you have to give the same backslash and the reverse if. So fi back and the end backslash fi. In the starting you have to backslash if false. At the end you have to give same backslash and the reverse Fi. That is for multiple comments blocks. For single line, you want to comment now, you have to go for the percentage symbol. Okay. So we will see the here. We will see here. See the document here, begin document. So make title. So section here, introducing some section here. Section one, you have to give that automatically give the number here. Section you no need to mention section 1 or 2 3. No need to give here. Section is one of the command. So in the section, what is the name of that section is called introduction. So here, this I leave some space here. Is the first paragraph. This is the second paragraph, and then end document. So because I begin the document here, and I have to end the document here. The last one is the end document here. See, in the section, I want to type some content within the sections. So I have to mention the section name here. That is what the introduction is, the section name. Here, no need to mention the number. By default, automatically give the numbers here for section 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise. We'll see the output here. See, um, here one section is one. By default, it'll give the numbers, section 1. The name is, that is introduction. Here you are giving more space here. This couple we are giving more space here. When you see the output here, there is no space here. So it won't work because the command only, it is obey only the command. So it will operate only the, so that is what the output is. So next we will see the bold, italic. So there is a font style. So the command emphasized also, yeah, italic only, no. So text it also italic, type of italic. Then text BF is a bold, indicate that bold. That if you want to bold letters now, you have to mention that text BF is indicate the bold letters. Slanting letters, slanted is a text SL is the command. Similarly, text SC, small caps when small letter, capital letters, caps lock, capital letters, small letters, SC. Then here there is an IT is italic, BF bold. Then emphasis same for type of a slanting letter only. See the output here. Text can be emphasized here. So here next to italic. So what is the curly braces inside this italic? ITAL is italic. So the italic word is called now it's italic only. The bold now is bold. Bold is not bold now. So likewise it will work here. Okay. So here fonts style. Next one size. We want more size here. So tiny na the tiny is the command. So some word I am taken is a Laura mention is the word I am taken here. So tiny is very small here. The command which is next size is called the script size. And if you want again more large now, go to the command is called a footnote size, small size, normal size, large, large, again large, huge. These are the font size command. Okay, font size command for everything. Next, the large space in between the characters, in between the words, in between the words, a large space, not what very extra large or very large space. If you wanna, you go for slash backslash QQQAD. So line break, the new line, then paragraph. If you want new paragraph, this is the command backslash PAR. Then no indentation is required for the paragraph. Now you can go for no indentation. Okay, horizontal line. If you want to go for H rule is horizontal line. So font families. What are the font families are there here? Roman letter. Simply text RM command text RM. So whatever will be the content within the curly braces, the content will be there in the Roman letter only in the output in the output in the curly braces only. What about in the same right side RF family? So backslash RF family, the entire content. So under the RM family, the entire content is only a Roman letter. If you want all the documents to be in Roman letter, you have to specify backslash RM family in the very first. Suppose I want only a specific paragraph only, I want specific line only, I want, you go for backslash text RM that you have to specify within the curly braces. So it will obey only, it will only in the curly braces. So text RM means within the curly braces. If you want entire document, go for only simply backslash RM family. Likewise for all the sans serif. So there's different types of document families here. So SS family, then a sample text that is TT. So typewriting family. So likewise the fonts families are here. So others font style. Next, medium, then bold, uprighting. Then italic, IT, slanted, already we discussed here, caps lock, everything. So next alignment. Go for the alignment here. Text alignment. Suppose I want the text in the left side or right side or center or justified. So there is a simple command you can use for begin. So wherever you're starting using a begin command, compulsory you have to end that command by using a end end. Okay. Flush left is the command for the whatever you're typing in between the begin and end. That should be in the left direction. Align left. Document is left aligned. So if you want the document should be in right aligned, you have to use for flush right. Flush right in the argument. So begin with what center. So your document is in the center. So justify now you go for centering. So that is what center and centering. Center now only for center line, centering now for justify. We will see the output, like what is the output is saying here. This is the document output here. Text alignment in the left and then right, then center, then justified. Okay. So next, so what is the use of the command of tag? So tag is nothing but you can replace by using tag. You can replace wherever you want. You can use this entire document. No need to type. Repeat the document once again by using a tag command, uh, which will substitute or replace the entire document here. For example, what I'm using is a new command slash tag text users group. So as usual, the begin document, then the end document. Inside that, it is a section is there. The section name is called creating custom commands. The tag is the organization of for people who are interested in text or latex. So here the tag, the word, which is nothing but is equivalent to text user group. So tag is now replaced by text user group only. No need to type or entire thing here. Simply by using a tag is a command. We will see the output here. See, instead of tag here, the text users group is an organization. So replace the entire paragraph by a single word called tag. So you can use the tag word in your document writing. That is what a custom command. So next description. Description la item. So description la that is a command is called item. So here the first this is an entry backslash text IT italic. So whatever maybe the content in the curly braces is in now italic only. So without the word is now italic in the output here. Yeah, label is as it is. So next paragraph is item something right. So within the bracket is comes in the bold letter. Here start as it is. So again, blind text. Blind text. Okay, that is you have to include the package in front of the program. A blind text means when you are using blind text, some text I want here, some content I want now, you can go for blind text. So in this blind text, you have to mention the package in the front of the program. Okay. So don't worry, all the programs we're going to execute now. Okay, end description. These are all simply, I will show the output here. What will be the expected output for this program? This is what the expected output. Okay, first one is one. One is now we are mentioning here within the section there is one as it is now description list. So item. So here this is an entry. The first one, something a short is a bold letter with another para. Third para is something long. There is another paragraph. So this is nothing but as a blind text. So something will be there in the text here. So that is a third paragraph items. That is a description list of output here. So next two columns. Sometimes in the IEEE papers are asking you two columns type format is there in the conference or journal, what maybe. Some articles are sometimes two column type format. So what are the things are need to be included here? Only you have to mention the command, two column command. That is enough here. Okay, same document class, then article, use package English. I'm going to use a Babel. So use package blind text. So that's what I'm saying here. So when you're using the blind text now, you have to mention in the front line, the package name blind text compulsory you have to include. Otherwise it will ask you when you're executing the program, it will ask here whether you have to include insert or include the plain text package. It will ask if you put yes now, it will automatically the plain text package will be installed automatically. Okay, so next begin document is as usual, then two columns, then two columns required format is two columns. That's why I mentioned here two column, then plain text. 5 times I need a plain text here. So 5 times, some text will be there in the blind text that will be repeated 5 times. That is the meaning of 5. I have only 2 times blind text, not 2 times. Okay. So end document. So we'll see the output here. So here there is an output of this program. So 2 columns are there. Some text are there. Some text. Okay. Next, multiple columns. It's not only 2 columns. I need more than two, like 3 or 4, whatever maybe the columns are required now. The same, the first 2 lines are same here. Then use the package is called multi-col, COL. Then begin as usual, the begin document. Then multiple 3 columns are required here. So I mentioned that 3 number here in the curly braces here. Same begin multi-columns, multi-cols, then section as usual. This is a document within the 3 columns here. Then I have blind text 2 times I need here. Then end, you have to compulsory end the multiple, so end multiple, end documents. So shall we see the output of this same the output of the program here. So previously 2 columns only, now the 3 columns only changes here. So this is a 3 columns are here. This is the output of this program. So same program only, we have to mention the multi-columns, the multi-calls. This is the argument you have to mention here. That's all. You have to include the package name. That's all. Next to the table of contents. So here that is a table of contents. If you want to write a book or anything, I want to mention now. So what is the table of content? How to write the table of content for the book here by using a LaTeX. So document class, I have to mention the compulsory a book here. So using the package here as usual the English, then blind text. Here use package is the size of the uh, first page here. Here for paper only. What is the left side, right side spaces here? Inner space, outer space here, top, bottom spaces. We have to mention the space compulsory. Then offset, how much the gap between this, that is 1 centimeter. Then geometry, use package, this one here. Then as usual, begin the document. Then table of contents is the use the command. You have to use the table of content command. So next, I'm going to use the chapter. First of all, I'm going to chapter that is one of the command here. Then chapter name is called exploring the page layout is the chapter name here. Next, in the chapter here, some content. In this chapter, we will study the later. Okay. Next is section. In the chapter, next after that, section. Section la, you have to, you no need to give any section number. It automatically give the number, section number here. Section name is called some filter, some filler text. Then blind text I'm using here. Again, section, another section here. So another section name is called a lot more filler text here, some content here. Again, subsection. Within the section, some subsection I'm going to introduce here. So backslash subsection. Then plenty of filler text. Blind text class. 10 times I need repeated the blind text here. So end document. So that's all about this. Only thing is the new thing is here. The comments are new. What are the comments are required for book? You have to mention here. Table of content is compulsory. You have to mention here. Next, as usual, chapter you have to mention. Then section, subsection. That's all. So here the design. Shall we see the output of this one here? So this is the output screen of the book chapter here. So contents you are mentioned here. Table of contents, that is content here. Chapter exploring the page layout is the first section one. Within the section one is next some blind text is there. So, 1.1. 1.1 is some filler text. It's a section for some fillers. 1.1. Next section is a lot of more filler text is section 2. A lot more 1.2. Again 1.2 la subsection is there. So 1.2.1. See the section the number here. First section some filler text is section 1 here. Section 1. So 1.1. Next is a 1.2. A lot of more filler text is 1.2. Within 1.2, some I need subsection here. So 1.2.1. So plenty of filler text. So this is the one. Some blind text will be there. In the screen I show only this top only. That is what the how to chapter creations, section, subsection. That's all. Okay, that is what the table of contents. How to for a book chapter, book preparations. So next lists in LaTeX. So here item is. So we will see item, that is backslash item. That is what item is here. Environment creating a bullet. Unordered order type. So enumerate is order type, item is unorder type. And the description, environment for creating a list of descriptions. So what is the meaning of unorder here? I said. So unorder means here it will give the each particular bullet automatically give the bulleted for creating a bulleted. But ordered is here automatically it creating a numbered here. It's what ordered system. So environment creating a list of descriptions here. We'll see here one by one. See items, unordered list of the unordered list. So here that is a section backslash. In the section here, list are easy to create here. So begin item is item start with the web items command enter. Okay. See the output here as usual here unordered list here. So bullet point is there for each item. That is what here unordered list here. Okay. So order list now, same program by using an order list, it will give the number 1, 2, 3. That is the difference here. So same enumerate. I'm using the word enumerate in the argument here. So same items only. The command is same one slash backslash item. But here, when you see the output here, it will give the automatically the numbers 1, 2, 3 here. See, this is what number 1, 2, 3 here in the output screen. So that is the difference here for order and unorder. So unorder you have to give for item is in the argument here. For enumerate, give the order at least for one, 1, 2, 3. Now you give enumerate in the argument of the curly braces here. Now next description. Description we have seen here. So like a paragraph, normal paragraph only. So already we have seen this is the normal paragraph only. Okay. Next we simple, like an simple equations with a number here. So first document here, simple equation section. In this section, something I am typed here as an equation with a number. Begin equation. So begin equation, it give the number here. E equal to mc square. So mc square can, that is a symbol we have to use here. That is an caps lock symbols. Then two. Then end equations. So when you are starting the begin equation, end equation, it is used to give the number of that equation. So next, another equations. I'm going to create another equation. Same thing. Some other some other section within this equation f equal to ma. Again, same. I'm begin equation and end equations. And compulsory you have to end the document here. Clear? Compulsory you have to end the document here. So we will see the output of this program. See, this is what the output of the program here. So here, here that is a simple equation E equal to mc square. Equation number 1. F equal to ma equation number 2. So if you want equation number now, just a minute. If you want equation number now, you have to specify the equations within begin and end. Within begin and end, within begin, in the argument is equation and end also argument is an equation. That you have to mention here. That's all. So that's all about the basic programs. I will execute one program now here. Basic program starting from here. Before seeing the figure, just in the execute one program. See, I think my screen is visible now. Next studio screen is visible now. Dear participants, anyone, please answer. Is my screen is visible? The program screen is visible? The studio screen is visible or not?
Yes, Professor, visible.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, what you have seen, the first one is a very basic program. No? I will type it and I'll execute. The first one program is now here. So first I have to create the file, go to file here, new file. File I have to give the, okay, you type the program here. Some backslash first, then so document class already is there. You can select the document class here. Document class. Okay. Here in the document class, you have to mention this work, okay, article or anything, here is mention the article. Article. Okay. Close this. This is here. Next. Again, next class here. I'm going to give that title. Title. Yeah. Title you can give anything, to latex. Next, author. Mention the author name. The name. So here next. Date is no need to mention here. Suppose if I mention the date also, date, and you have to give this backslash. The command is called today date I need. So mention the today. So next one is an begin the document. Begin document. Select this one begin document here. Begin document. So begin document. So automatically see the automatically end document is created automatically. So within the begin document, so I compulsory have to give the make title is compulsory. You have to give the make title. Make title. Okay. Next, the content. Smile. This is my first LaTeX document. LaTeX. Okay. Next, end document. I think this is enough. These are things are okay. Okay, these are enough here. So I have to save the program with a name. With a name here. So I'll give the document one. Document one. So here when I document, okay, document closing everything is correct only. Okay, we can execute the program. Here the symbol is there to build and view. So see the output here. So output came intro to LaTeX. Okay, data JSON or date, everything is there. Suppose see here the screen is there to see the external view. This is the view. Look like this one. Document. It's a PDF format. Look like here. Okay. So if I want to command the date here by using a percentage symbol is used to command the document. Even I command that one, when I execute here, it will work here. Even though it will give the date. Even though it will work here. So I block or I command the line here, date, even though it will working here. So that's all. Suppose I want to create a section here. So make title of that. I want to introduce a section here. So section. Within the section I need here, section name. I have to mention the section name here. Introduction. So when I execute the build the program here, same. See that one, this comes another introduction. Okay. If I want to here another section also, same copy and paste it here. It will give automatically the number, second number, section 2. So here I'll give some other name, basics here. So here I execute the program. So automatically create the number here to basic here. So I need a subsection. I need a subsection here. Subsection. I execute here. See 2.1. The subsection is there. Okay. I think it's okay. Next, what are things are we discussed here? Size, font, space, everything. Simply it will work here. I've already worked the program, same thing. that is having available the same program. So I will copy the same program. Just a minute, I'll copy the program. So I copied this line here, font line, everything here, and I paste it here. Okay. See this one. See the output screen. Is it visible only now? Dear participant, is visible only. So what I mentioned here, that is a document here. Then title, the spaces here, that is make title, space section here. The next space QUAD, what I'm used here. So backslash QQAD is used here. So another is a line break double backslash here. For paragraph is backslash PAR I'm used here. Suppose these are the section horizontal line. So no indentation is not required here. That's what I have fourth one. So fourth one is not here is starting with the first line, first one only. So I need horizontal line. So I use the rule here. Okay, dark text with this one point. Suppose I execute the point is 5 point now, dark line will be there. I will execute the line here. See the dark line here and the horizontal line. That's all. So shall we any doubts here? Shall we continue now? Okay. Okay, we'll continue this one next one. Okay, we'll continue. The next one. So what are the things for the learned here? Is space, the line, break, everything we have used here. So after that, next font size, font style we used here. So font style, we go for this one. Font style. So font style. So same thing here. What I explained now, same program only. So section basic formatting, text BF now means bold only. Inside the curly braces, whatever may be the content is comes under bold here. Next comes under italic. Next to the underline. Next combining the style here. Bold and italic both are there here. Second one. So bold and italic combined here. Then underline here. Then emphasis. Okay, so we execute the program, build the program here. See the output here. So this is the output of this one. So basic program here, that is a section comes under, another comes under this bold only. So combining the both bold and italic, both are there here. See, both are here. So combining style, then section emphasize here, like italic then next. Okay, the same thing. So what we have studied, the next one is a bold style, font, then text alignment. Text alignment is there. So text alignment, that's all. Text alignment, we go for the text alignment program. I'll execute the text alignment one. Okay, left alignment, flush left, right alignment, gen just effect. We execute this one. See, this is the output of this one. So left alignment, then center one, then right alignment, then justified. So just only thing is you can give the within the sections what you are going to give here. So I've left in the word of the naming section. Okay, after that here begin flush left. This is the command flush left, flush right, center, central. That's all. Okay, that's all. So what are the things? Other things are we use and DUG tag is already we discussed here. So single column, double column, multiple columns we discussed in this PPT. So that also will execute now. Very simple here. Double column for blind text I'm used here. So let's see the output here. Same. See, document class is compulsory. You have to mention here. Document class is compulsory. What I'm using the package is called English language English bar for references. Okay? Then blind text I'm using here. So when you're using blind text in the coding, compulsory you have to mention the package here. Use package of blind text. Then I need two columns. So backslash two column. Then blind text is something I need 5 times repeatedly. Text is required here. So then end document. We'll execute the program here. So this is the output here. You can see the output here. So it is a double column format is there. That's all. Okay. Suppose multi columns, more than two, three columns. In that case, so use the word multi column here. See the output here. Can you see the output here? Three columns are there. So likewise only. Okay. Is it okay? Next one is shall we go to next one? So we'll go to the next one here. What is this? We'll go next one here. Okay. Okay. So next we'll go to all the things are executed here. So next we will go to the slide here. I'll explain the next one is in text everything is ordered are same only. No need to explain the everything ordered system, everything is same only. So we'll go to the PPT slide now once again. So next. So here the things are the basics are over now. Next we are going to important thing is figures, latex figures. How to insert a figure in the document. How to insert a figure in the document or article or anything here. But for that, we need to include a packages. Our name is called graphics. So here that is an use package graphics. I have to import the graphics package, and I also have to configure the package by using this graphics path. If the diagram that is figure is in the same folder or same folder, no need to mention the path here. No need of mention any path here. If it is a figure in the same folder in the sense it is in the .exe files of MikTeX and the Text Studio. You keep your file in this figure file, image file within the folder only. In that case, you no need to mention the path in this graphics path. Just image backslash is enough. Okay. Next, begin document as usual. Begin document, begin figure is important here because we are going to display the figure. So we have to mention the figure in the argument of the begin. Then you have to end the argument by using a figure, same figure. Then centering. Then include the graphics width equal to 0.5. What is the meaning of width to 0.5 means? Text width, that is a width of the text width means the graphics percentage, 50% I need. So this indicate the size of the figure. Figure in the sense the text width nothing but figure here. It is 50%. The next curly braces you have to mention the name, file name. Certificate.jpg is the file name here. So caption is nothing but is a name of the figure. So caption you have to give. So name of the figure is example image. Caption the number automatically it will give the number. Caption, no, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 like this. So next the end figure. End figure. Next after that there is a picture of above, clearly above. So end document. We will see the output here. So what are things are here? So figure you have to begin the if you want to include the figure now you have to mention the begin figure and end figure. Within this one, you want to figure is a centering or left element, right element, or justifying. Justifying, you have to put centering here. So see the output here. See the output here. Can you see the output here? So this is the image. I mentioned certificate here. This is the image here. So figure name, figure one. So automatically this caption is given the figure name here. Example image is the figure name. Caption is give the number here. That is the first figure. So it is figure one. That's all. Okay. Any doubts here? Similarly, it's all the figures here. Okay. Similarly, we can include all of this. Next, we'll go to next one. Next one. See, two figures are one by one I need here. In that case here, same the document classes or graphics images everything is same only. So here that is in beginning, then end document, another begin and end document also here. So same another figure. So same only one by one I need here. So I include one by one here. See the output of this one. So first figure and second figure. Within the caption here, the figure 2 is next. Figure comes under a section. I need a figure comes under section. I have to mention the backslash section name here. Inserting images in the document here. Then the same thing. Everything is same only. Only thing is backslash section. That's all you have to mention here. So I mentioned here backslash section in there. See the output of this one. This is what here. Suppose next one. What is next one is the figure is alone is centering. Remaining on all as it is no figure only I need center here. So I have to mention here begin center. I have to include the begin center. So within the section here. So this is the output of the screen. Okay. So next one. So next one is an I need two figures are parallel. Two figures are parallel here. So I have to go with the command is called mini page is the command. So same coding only. I have included here begin mini page. Okay, the first diagram here I mentioned the first one here. So the width of the figure diagram is 45%. I am giving here 0.45 is nothing but 45% here. So next one is an next include the next another figure include graphics invitation is another one. So another invitation one. The next mini page here same. What is the meaning of HFIL? Give some space between these two figures. I need some space between the two figures. In parallel, I want to display here. So in between, I need to give HFIL is give the space between the two figures parallel. So see the output of this one. This is the output of the two parallel figures are here. So only thing is you have to mention the command. The command is called mini page is the command. So you can get the same output without using of mini page, a sub figure. So both the programs are same only, but here I'm not insert the caption here. Caption I'm not included caption here. I'm included the caption here and also label. Okay, for future use. For in future of the in the document, I need the same figure in the. I need to refer by using a label. Okay, so label is one of the command. Okay, next the thing is same programs are comes in the parallel by using a subfigure. So subfigure and the previous command is called what we call as a mini page. Both are same only. So both are same only. Additionally, I have included here caption. That is figure number. I have to use the caption figure number and name. Then I have to refer the figure in the document anywhere by using the given label. Okay, that's all. See the output here. Both are same only. Additionally, the first one is a figure image one. In the caption I mentioned here, caption one, figure one, invitation one, invitation two. But finally, I have mentioned here the two figures are placed side by side here. So here, additionally, finally, I have mentioned the side by side label, here. So both figure one is both side by side. So next one is tilting the figure. I want to tilt the figure in the right direction or and clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. For that is a command is called angle. So same include graphics, scale 50%, width of the 50% only. Angle is 45 degree. Same the invitation dot if JPEG. No need to mention the JPEG or PNG or any format is that you can use, but no need to mention the dot extension here. So compulsory you have to mention the file name. Okay, invitation one. So here I'm tilting the angle is 45 degree plus by default a plus sign only. So it is anti-clockwise rotation. Suppose if you want to put minus 45 na, it is a clockwise tilting. So clockwise minus, anti-clockwise plus. Okay. So we'll see the output of this program here. See, this is the output of the program. You're tilting that 45 degree in the anti-clockwise direction because I put the plus 45 degrees here. Okay. That's all. That is the tilting of the image. So next, wrapping. Wrapping of the figure is nothing but is a wrapping here. My images comes around under the surrounding the content here. So my image should be in the center of the content here. So the entire left, right, bottom, top are content here. The center I want my image now go for wrapping. Okay, so wrapping here. So this is what simply the command name is called as a simply the name is called as a wrap figure. WRAP wrap FAG figure is called wrap figure is the argument of the mm, wrapping. Okay, I have to end the same begin wrap figure also end wrap figure. Okay. So see the output of this one. Okay. So next figure the border. I have to give the border for this figure here. So simply the command is called fbox backslash fbox. Fbox fill the box. That is the meaning. Fbox no fill the box here. Same 50% with everything is okay. Only thing is the entire include graphics is comes under in the curly braces. The command name is called fbox backslash fbox. That's all. Okay. So what is the meaning of H here? I mentioned is na here. H means here. The figure curly braces in the square bracket H here. It is not compulsory. You can mention the square bracket here or no need to mention the square bracket. Okay. By default, it is only at the top only. The figures are displayed on the top only by default here. Bottom now you can mention the B only. Okay. Here na H T na top. So you can see all the HTP. We can completely we can give. A centering na centering na justification centering na justify center of the image document. A centering na justification justify. Okay, fbox. So shall we see the output of this one? See, this is the border of the images within the border here. Okay, simple border. So here we can give the thickness also for the border here. There is a separate command is there for giving the thickness for the border. So thickness we can give this command. Its name is called here. Estimate. Thickness one command is there. You have to mention the command for thickness. Set length backslash set length fbox rule 2 points or 3 points, whatever may be the point. So backslash set length. I once again repeat the one. Backslash set length is the command. Then curly braces again backslash fbox rule. Then close the curly braces. Then mention the point thickness of the point 2 point or 3 point or 4 point. So that is what the thickness of the border. Okay, that's all. So next figure of the border. That's all. Figure in the table. Suppose I want to create a table. In the table I want figure. You can go for this one. You have to mention the tabular in the argument. Here begin tabular and end tabular. Here that is in column C is indicate the column. Both the lines are before C, one line is there. That is what indicate the horizontal two columns. Indicate the first segment. Yeah, actually it is called horizontal line. So top horizontal line is there. Then the figure in table. Then again I draw another horizontal line. Then after that the figure. Then last horizontal. So 3 horizontal lines are there. And the 2 columns are there. First and left. See that one output here. There are 2 columns are there. 2 columns here. So here that is in three the horizontal lines are there before the figure and line before figure in a table before that and middle and bottom. So that's all. So next important thing is drawing the diagram. So in the LaTeX you can also draw the diagram. For example, what is the package is include TIKZ. TIX is the package. We have to include the package for drawing purpose. So here For a section, you have to mention what is a text drawing example. You can give any name here, text drawing example. Okay, begin center. Okay, begin text picture. Text picture is a command argument. You have to close that one. End text picture. So first draw. Draw. What is draw? Draw is a command for drawing a circle or rectangle or square, whatever may be there. So draw slash backslash draw is the command. So where we are going to draw, we have to mention the position 0 xy position 0, 0. What we need to draw circle. So I have to mention the circle. Next, what is the radius of the circle is 1 centimeter. Similarly, I have to draw the rectangle. Rectangle, I have to 2, 2. What is the 2, 2? 2, 2 is mentioned the rectangle left first foremost, that is a left corner of the rectangle. 4, 4 is the right side top corner. Okay, 2, 2 is the left side, that is on bottom line left side corner is 2, 2. In the top line rectangle, right side corner is 4, 4. So we have to mention the size of the rectangle by using this starting and two edges, bottom left and top right corners you have to mention. Next, draw is I want to draw the connecting line. So the arrow mark, dashed line and arrow mark from starting from point 8, point 8, starting from the points x, y is point 8, point 8, and dotted line is I need here. Okay, I ended by 2, 2. Okay, so one circle, one rectangle, and I have to connect the both circle and rectangle. That's all. See the output here. So this is for the output of this one. Okay. Okay. So similar one. Okay. So that's all about the figures. So next we will go to the tables. So participants, any doubts here? Still any doubts? We'll continue the next topic. Shall we go to next topic?
Participants are requested to post your any doubts in the chat box. If you have any doubts, you can post it in chat box.
Otherwise, we'll continue the next topic. We'll go to the next topic here. We'll go to the table. How to create the table by using a LaTeX. Okay. So we'll continue the next topic. Is the next was an how to create tables. How to create a tables. See, first one here, that is an just a minute. I'll maximize the screen now. Okay. Basic table. So the basic table, first line is a document class as usual. The next document here, type of the begin document and the end document is must. In between here, table H means here, T means top. That is optional. HT are optional here. I would mention the either you're going to output is maybe in the current position or maybe in the top. Or centering is justification. Justification we are using a centering word. Then begin the tabler, and I have to end the tabler. So in the curly braces, next columns, 3 columns I need here. See the output, 3 columns output here. 3 column lines are here. Then first H line is horizontal line at the top of the header 1, 2, 3. Second, the row, first row is header 1, 2, 3. Next again H line. Next cell 1, 2, 3 likewise here. Then next again at the bottom H line is bottom horizontal line. Okay, bottom horizontal. So 3 horizontal lines are here. First horizontal line between the first and second horizontal line, header 1, 2, 3. Then second and the third in between, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, 5, 6 likewise only. So I have to end the table. I have to begin because I started the table by using a begin. I have to end that one by using an end table. So caption, I have to give the name and a number. Okay, number of the table. So I want to give the caption. That is the first one, first basic table. So second one is on merged columns. Suppose I want the columns are merged here. So merged column is an 2 columns I have to merge here. So first horizontal line as usual. So multi columns here. So 2 columns I have to merge here. So I have to mention the 2. Here that is the columns are I have to merge here. So mention the C. Then the name is called merged columns. You are giving any name here, merged columns or any name here. But I want to merge 2 columns in the first row. So that's what I mentioned after H line. I merge the 2 columns here. Okay. Then after that here, H line, that is center line, center horizontal line. After that, cell 1, 2, 3 as usual up to cell 9. Then again, same H line, horizontal line, H line. So only thing is, I am here merged the two columns here. First column, second column in the first row only. That is the syntax here. Okay. So, okay, next one is a merged rows. I want to row I want to merge here. So multi-row command is called backslash multi-row. Two columns I want to, two rows I want to merge here. So compulsory you have to put the star here. Then cell one. What is the content cell one? Cell one is the content document of the first and merged row, cell one. Then as usual, cell 2, 3 in the first row. The same cell one is in the first row. Again, 4 and 5 is in the second column. Second column, second row, the first column. Okay, the 4 and 5. As usual, hatch line. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 cells are same as usual. Okay, so only thing is I measure here two rows in the only cell one, only first column. That's what I multi row two. And the name is called only cell one for the first two rows merged rows. That's all. Next one is a horizontal line and vertical lines. See here, that is an both here, not in the first row, second and third row I want to merge. First, second and third row, first column I want to merge here. That's what I'm used here. C line 2, 3 only. Remaining 2, 3 is command draws to horizontal line only. So I have to mention the horizontal line only for the second and the third columns rows only. That's what I see line of 2 to 3. Okay, so next I want to give the colors. So how to mention the colors here? By using each row, I have to mention the first row, indicate the orange color. What is the percent? 30 means percentage of how much the color intention. Mention 30% of color here, 20% of white, 0% of, sorry, 10% of green here, something I mentioned here. So you have to mention the percentage here. So header 1, header 2, header 3, you have to mention the color. Within the curly braces, you mention the color here, red, orange, or white, or whatever maybe the color you want here. You mention this one in this curly braces here. Then also mention the percentage also. How much percentage you require here, the color contrast. Red, whatever maybe the color you can mention here. Okay, this is what here. Okay, next one is without border. I want the table, but no need of any border means here. So no need of any mention the columns here. Just you put C, 3 columns only. And the 3, what are the contents are there in the first row? Cell 1, 2, 3, cell 4, 5, 6, cell 7, 8, 9. In the row, that's all. Without border here. So next program is with border. Only I need only column. I don't want any rows here. So in the first hatch line is horizontal line at the top of the table, and the next the bottom of the table I need here hatch line. So in between I don't want any rows here. So in that case you don't need many hatch lines in between here. Just the top and the bottom hatch lines are there, horizontal lines are there. That's all. Okay, table with one. Okay. So that's all the tables. Okay. Next we are going to see the flow charts. So I want to draw the flow chart by using a latex here. This is the flow chart I want to draw. Okay, start process one, decision, step 2, step 2, step 2B and stop. This is the flow chart I want here. So here to draw the flow chart here, what are things are required here? First you have to mention the elements. What are the elements you are going to use in that in the flowchart here? So here is an rectangle, or rectangle with a rounded corner, or simply rectangle, diamond, and connecting the arrows are required here. These are the elements required for here. So once again I repeat what are the elements are. You have to mention the elements in the first here. So what are the elements are here? So rectangle box is required here. Rectangle box with the corner rounded corner is required. Then diamond is symbol is used for decision making. So diamond symbol I have to mention here. Then arrow mark, arrow thickness is are required here. So here the style I have to include the package style here. So rectangle, so round corner. So width is 3 centimeter. So minimum I mentioned the what is the size of that the rectangle here. First one. So width 3 centimeter. And draw a block here. How much percentage of red is required? 30% of red is required here. So height I have to mention here. Width, everything I mentioned in the rectangle here. So similarly, rectangle with process. Rectangle bar. First one is a rectangle with a round corner. Second one is a process only rectangle. So here I have same thing. On the decision box, diamond is mentioned here. So minimum the same size you have to mention here. Minimum what is the height width of the diamond is required that you have to mention here. And also color I have to mention the 20% color. then thickness, arrow mark, everything. So first one is and first 5 lines, 4 lines are nothing but as elements. I have to mention here elements here. Second one is then begin the document with title. So I have to give the title. So again, same begin document. Center, I need a center. Then flowchart should be in center. So I may mention a center here. So I have to end the center. And bold letters are required here. So text BF, large flowchart example. Next, gaps between the flowcharts here. How much centimeter? 2 centimeter. So each blocks, you see the diagram. So the gaps between these blocks here, rectangle, diamond. I need a gap here. So I mentioned the gap here. It's a 2 centimeter gap is mentioned here between the elements. Between the elements. Next, shape. Create a shape here. So where I have to place the create a shape here. So first one is start as usual. Process one. Process one below the start here. Process one where I have to place the process one below the start here. So again, step one. What is the name? Step one process. See, step one process is the within the first one here. Similarly here, next decision. Decision one is the name is called decision. Here the below of the process one, it is a decision box where it has to come below the process one, and I have to mention that there's a direction here. Y shift minus approximately minus centimeter. Similarly, next one is on process 2A. Process 2A is comes under decision one. Okay. Next process 2B. It comes under decision one again. Because see the left and right. Step 2A, step 2B. That is what process here. So here I have to mention here. So next one, last one is so last one is stop. Stop is comes under below the process 2B. Stop. So we have to mention the shape where have to come. Next, after that, we have to connect all the shapes here. So that's what the nodes. By using creating a nodes, you have to connect all the with the arrows, you can connect all the elements here. So first start as usual now. So the important thing is decision one got east. Here it is what is why I have put east here. So in the see the decision box, the direction of the decision. See the decision box here, north, east, west, east. So decision one decision question mark here. The first one is an decision one is an east connected, east direction to connected to where process 2A. So where is process 2A? Here process 2A to the west direction. Process 2A west destination is process 2A west. So starting from the decision box na east. That is what here mentioned here. Decision one east direction to process 2A west direction. Okay. So here I have to mention yes. Yes means here you have to type the command yes maybe in the top or bottom. You have to mention the direction. Top na you have to mention the south, bottom na you have to north. So yes yes letter where you have to paste the letter. The arrow mark top or bottom. Top na south, bottom na is north here. Similarly, next one is same likewise. The second one. Second one, step two. Step two is the diamond box la south, starting from the south. Okay, well. So like starting from the south and the two pillars ending with the north direction. So that's what I mentioned here. Okay, south, decision one south, process 2B is a north. Okay, likewise only. So I have to connect the arrow mark. That's all. That's all about the how to draw the flow chart here. Okay, draw the flow chart here. Next, we will see the mathematics. So max, these are the Greek letters used in the LaTeX command. Delta notations here. Everything is there. Sigma, Na, alpha, beta. These are the symbols here. Next, arrow marks. So what are the commands for arrow marks? Up arrow, down arrow. Okay, all the arrows mark command here. Next, some other symbols, miscellaneous symbols. What are the commands here? Next, binary operations greater than less than the symbols or the commands are here. Then mathematical models. So mathematical models, there are two types are here. So inline and display mode. Inline mode means here writing formulas that are the part of the paragraph. So within the paragraph, you have to use the mode called inline. We want a separate expression. Now you have to go for display math mode. Separate equations. Now you go for display math mode. Okay. So again, the delimiters are used here for inline. This is what display mode here. Suppose see this one here. Pythagorean theorem is it is called as an inline mode. Okay. So within the paragraph I mentioned the equation here. So it is an in mode only. So see the output of this one. Okay, in mode x squared plus y squared equal to z squared. Okay, here they see the separate line here. So some another mode is called display mode here, display math mode here. So next one is begin equations. Already we have seen begin equation number mc squared is an equation number one. Next em equal to ms equation number two. Okay, okay. So integral just you have to put the command is called int. Integral int is integral. Limit you have to mention here. So limit is limits. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1 here. So x squared plus y squared. So here the command dx is the derivative. Okay, dx, that's all. Here that is an subscript and superscript say are using here. So again summation symbol of lower limit is equal to 1, upper limit is infinitive. So infinite is the command here. Similarly, F or AC, frac is nothing but here 1 divided by division is nothing but a frac here. So here similarly, next one fraction 1 by 1. Similarly, by p to the power of minus s. Similarly, so here the brackets, the parentheses, what are the command for bracket here? So square bracket, curly braces, everything here, pipes, double braces, everything. Next is the same, the equations like g equal to left of fraction of this one m1 into m2. Okay, r square. Fraction f or ac fraction is nothing but division, divide by. The meaning is divide by. Okay, that's all. So here equation alignment equations with the AMS method. So max the compulsory you have to import the package called AMS. AMS package is compulsory required for execute the max the mathematical related equations or anything, but you have to input the math package in the uh, attack. Okay, so here that is an begin align here x under y x equal to y. So this is an alignment here. The equations this comes in the center here. So under symbol ampersand symbol is used for the equations are in the center. Equations equal to is it in the center position left and right, left or right. It is the equal to symbol is indicated that is a center position here. Next quad, next spaces, three double colon everything here. Spacing command here. The spacing command here. S squared. See the space how much here you want to space here. Next invisible the brackets here. In the brackets you can mention here. Next matrix. Suppose B matrix begin with matrix here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again begin with the matrix with the parenthesis. Parenthesis now you have to put the parenthesis B matrix. Bracket now you have to mention the square bracket B matrix here. Next curly braces ke second capital B. Small b for is a square matrix and it is a curly braces for a capital B for curly braces. Then V matrix is a pipe here vertical gun. Then capital V for double line matrix. These are the types of matrix we have mentioned by using a command matrix command. Next, continue by a fraction here. So fraction is division 1 by. So same expression I mentioned here. So yeah, I am executed some code here. Same some equations are here mentioned here. So program left side is a program, right side is the output of this program equally mc squared. Then a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So only thing is you have to mention that ensure that the package AMS path is required for mathematical type of equations or expression, whatever you want to write here. You have to mention the package AMS path, AMS math package. Okay, that's all here. Sing integral, then matrix here. Okay, that's all math package here. This is the sample output of this one. Okay, so fraction can have division 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 equal to 18 by 24, somewhat like here, square root square. So infinitive symbols, summation symbols, a derivative, the integral scale. Okay, so trigonometry formulas we can use for trigonometry formulas commands. Okay, then Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma. So same only. The command is same. Alpha, you have to mention the backslash ALP alpha. Okay, beta as it is. Okay, next, AAA conference paper. See the conference paper here. All the things are included as a document class. I have to mention the conference paper. So in the square bracket conference. So the curly braces IEEE transaction or conference order maybe here. Use package here, graphics package, AMS for equation script. Citation we need to here, CAT site here. So ticks for drawing, okay. So shape and geometry here, so shape and arrow mark here. So next define the flowchart style. So define the flowchart style on the same flowchart. This is a flowchart here. you have to mention the flowchart style in the front of the program here. So after that, you have to include the document here, begin document. So title, author. So make title again, begin abstract. You have to start and in the abstract here. Then start the introduction. Okay, in the introduction box section by using a section. Then I'm starting the proposed method by using again section. Okay, then again figure and flowchart everything. Same figure I am taken, same flowchart I am inserted here, same flowchart only. Okay, result okay, again separate section, on conclusion okay, separate section, then bibliography, then the end document. So when you execute the program, so the entire thing includes the output from the output here. This is what the output I got here. So title of the paper, author name, everything is there. So double column, we know command is called the same two column is the command. So abstract by using a section. Okay, then subsection you wanna the command is called backslash subsection only. So flowchart again that's our conclusion. Okay. Next, general template. General template. As by default, what are the things are there now? Here there is a document name using the package. Compulsory use the package graphics, AMS, and the site compulsory required for any journal or conference. These packages are compulsory required. After that, you have to mention the title, author, name, date as usual. Then begin the documents and end the document is compulsory. And then the make title. You have to generate the title, author, date. Okay, compulsory, you have to mention the make title. After that, begin abstract, end abstract, then section, then methodology, asset discussion, and the conclusion. These are the section headings. Okay. Then begins bibliography, then the reference numbers and documents. That's all. See the output of this one. See the title end here. That is, I use the title of the research paper here, author name, institution, email ID. Okay, introduction, then methodology, self discussion, conclusion, references. So a simple or general paper, okay, these things are right here. Okay, so elsewhere also the same thing only. They are using their usual format here. So review, use packages, hyper reference here. So as usual, the remaining things are as usual. So begin the document by using a title, author, address, everything is same only. Abstract, then end keywords. So begin keyword, end keywords. Then here that is section related work methodology, equations. So everything is same only. Section references, conclusions, everything is same only. So only thing is here in the elsewhere journal, they include the package's name is called line number hyperref. Then that's all. That's all the elsewhere journal. See, this is the output of the elsewhere journal put here. Okay. Abstract introduction. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Okay. These are the references by using LaTeX here. So that's all. I covered all the topics now. Okay, all the topics I covered here. Students, any doubts, you can ask it now. Participants, any doubts now, you can ask now.
So participants, if you have any doubt, you can post your queries in the chat box. Sir will answer your queries. And you can see that today's attendance link has been posted in the chat box. So participants can fill the attendance link. So attendance link will be active till today 5 evening.
Any doubts?
So one of the participant has posted a message that how to remember all these tools, sir. So many.
No need. So no need to memorize all the tools, all the commands names are. You can't able to memorize all the tools here. But
Yes, sir.
the minimum things are required. Like everything is available in this in the menu bar. Menu bar are the tools. Math. What are the tools are where there is menu bar. Mathematics tool is there. That is available. All the commands are there in the math. So you no need to mug up. No need to memorize everything. So we can use it by in the toolbar. Everything is available.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No. Okay. Any other doubts? Sir, can we get this document examples? Yes, I will send all the documents with the example to your mail IDs.
So after the end of the sessions, we will be mailing you the PPTs of all the sessions here. So definitely you can make use of those documents for your applications.
So minimum things are required for you in how to create a figure, how to insert the figure in the document, how to create a table. These are the minimum things. Remaining and all as usual, no, very basic only. So section now you want to section now you have to backslash section only. Subsection now backslash subsection only. Within the you have to paste the current within the subsection and paste the current within the section here. That's all. Whether the paper writing in Word is easy or else using LaTeX will be easy. So LaTeX is only a document preparation only. So you have to write the paper in your own only. After that, writing the paper, you have to paste that by using a LaTeX like presentation only. LaTeX is a presentation document only. Document presentation only. It's a precious document presentation. That's all. First, you prepare your word in the MS Word. After that, you paste that in the LaTeX format. Any other doubts? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sandesh. Any others? Any other doubts? Using that LaTeX is very simple only. It is an you can no need to download or anything. Go to online. Overleaf is there. Type the in the Google overleaf. It is very simple only. Manual and all. Manual is in netly available. Everything is available in the net only. There is no separate manual. You can search in the net. All the comments, all the things are available. Any other doubts? Spencer, if you have any doubt, again ask me. Any doubts? Any other doubts? Nothing. Says, okay, sir. We can wind up the program. So can we from here?
Thanks.
Yes.
Online. So with this, I hope there are no more doubts from the participant side. So we will close the today's session here. So a very wonderful and excellent presentation, Dr. Shamura sir, on advanced technique in research writing using LaTeX. I hope the participants gained in-depth knowledge and insights to enhance their research writing skills. Thank you once again, sir. And also I thank all the participants for being in the session for the entire 2 hours period. So we'll meet tomorrow. So a link has been posted in the chat group, and the same will be also posted in WhatsApp group. So participants can fill the form 5 p.m. today. So thank you once again. We'll meet tomorrow on day 4. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Recording stopped.